Hello and welcome back, students. In our previous video, we have discussed about fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are the basic rights which every citizen of India has the liberty to enjoy, and these rights are given to us by our constitution. Now, in this session, we will try to cover fundamental duties. While we have our fundamental rights, we also have some duties towards our country. As citizen of India, we enjoy our fundamental rights. At the same time, we are expected to perform our duties towards our country. The fundamental duties mentioned in our constitution are: number 1, we must obey the laws of our country. Second, to follow those ideals which had inspired the national movement. Third, we must protect and respect our national flag and national anthem. We must protect the unity of our country. We must pay our taxes. We must protect our natural environment. We should respect the rich heritage of our culture and keep it alive. We also protect public property and give up violence. Next topic is directive principles of the state policy. They are directives to the government. The Constitution has laid down some rules which guide the government to function better for the welfare of the people. These are called directive principles. Constitution of India has laid down some guidelines for the government, and these directions or the guidelines help the government to function in a better way. These guidelines are called directive principle, and some of the directive principles are: to provide free and compulsory education to children up to the age of 14 years, to provide work to all men and women. Third, equal wages for equal work for both men and women. Also, the government should ensure that no one becomes rich by exploiting others. The government also should improve the conditions of the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and other weaker sections of the society. These directive principles are only guidelines for the government. We cannot go to the court if they are